advisor to Media Monitoring Africa and the coordinator for the Reporting on Children Media course. What I do is a little bit of everything, but try and keep MMA on the straight and narrow, try and assist them to get the best out of their partnerships with donors and other strategic partners through my role as legal advisor. I am a practicing attorney, and I'm passionate about children, I'm passionate about media and impacting our society and making a difference. So my role as a coordinator of the Reporting on Children course is really to run a course that changes the way journalists think, that inspires them, challenges them, and helps them to realize that reporting on children is not just about reporting in extremes, but also realizing that children make up 36% of our population and that they deserve to be reported on in a way that is fair, that is accurate, that engages them, and that takes into consideration their views. So my whole aim is to enlighten journalists, and so it's not just about giving people a rap over the knuckles, but really helping them to be more creative, think differently, practice green light ethics, step out of their boxes, and just basically not be lazy. So there's a song that actually was played at my wedding to my husband called I Hope You Dance. There's different versions of it, but what I really love about it is it says that I hope you never fear the mountains in the distance, you never settle for the path of least resistance. When you get the chance to sit it out or dance, I hope you dance. And I think it really just encapsulates what I believe we should be doing. That we shouldn't be, and it talks about never losing your hunger, getting your fill to eat, but never losing your hunger. And that's really what I strive to live by, is this idea that don't settle, don't take the easy way out. Realize there's so much more. Take the risk, take the chances, and dance when you get the chance. Okay. So my favorite, and I am slightly biased because I live right next to it, is Melville Coffee's. The reason I love it so much is because it's a really understated heritage site, but many people don't know that it's the site of the first discovered black iron ore smelting place. And I love that it talks about heritage within, black culture, and about what communities were doing so many hundreds of years ago to smelt iron and to create weapons. And so many people don't realize that, and I think it's a very powerful site and deserves protection. It's also so beautiful. It's been preserved in its pristine natural environment, and so when you're there you can imagine what it must have been like for the smelters who lived in that area at that time, and a lot more animals I'm sure, but there's still a large range of animals, small animals, birds, hedgehogs, snakes, but it's really beautiful, and it's somewhere that everyone should visit if you live in Joburg.